welcome to another video from our research series on qualitative research design. This video is designed for beginners, so many of the concepts will be introduced at a basic level without going into extensive detail. For more in-depth content, be sure to stay tuned for future videos in the series. So, starting from qualitative research idea. If you want to know why customers prefer one brand of coffee over another, the word why here suggests that instead of just looking at sales data, the researchers conduct in-depth interviews with customers. They ask about their coffee drinking habits, how the brand makes them feel, and what values they associate with it. Definition: qualitative research is a method of inquiry that seeks to understand and interpret the meaning, experiences, and perspectives of individuals or groups within their natural context. It focuses on exploring the why and how of human behavior, emotions, and social phenomena, often through methods like interviews, focus groups, observations, and content analysis. Unlike quantitative research, which relies on numerical data, qualitative research emphasizes rich, descriptive data to gain deeper insights into complex issues and processes. Its goal is to uncover patterns, themes, and meanings that provide a holistic understanding of the subject being studied. Here is the example about understanding student stress during exams. Imagine you are interested in understanding what makes students feel stressed during final exams and how they cope with it. You could design a qualitative research project to explore this. How you'd do it. Number 1 method is interview. You could interview students and ask open-ended questions like, how do you feel during exam week? And what strategies do you use to manage stress? This would give you detailed insights into their feelings and experiences. Number 2 is observations. You might also observe students in study spaces, like the library, to see their behavior during high-stress periods. For example, are they taking breaks, chatting with friends, or cramming for hours? And number 3 is focus groups. You could bring together small groups of students to discuss their experiences with exam stress. They might share common concerns or tips, helping you understand how stress affects them socially. Main steps in conducting qualitative research are: 1. Start from broader research question that seeks to explore how or why something occurs. 2. Review the available literature to understand what is already known and identify gaps that your research can address. 3. Select a qualitative research design. Choose the specific approach that best fits your research question, such as case study, in-depth exploration of a particular instance or group; ethnography, studying cultures or communities; phenomenology, exploring lived experiences; grounded theory, developing a theory based on data. 4. Determine the data collection methods. Select methods such as interviews, one-on-one conversations; focus groups, group discussions; observations, watching behaviors in a natural setting; document analysis, analyzing written or visual materials. 5. Recruit participants. 6. Collect data. 7. Analyze data. 8. Interpret findings and report findings. In the context of the research onion, a framework introduced by Saunders et al. 2007, to guide researchers in designing their research methodology, qualitative research design is reflected in several layers of the onion. Each layer helps define the different choices researchers make when designing their qualitative study. Layers of the research onion related to qualitative research design. 1. Philosophies. Qualitative research is often aligned with interpretivism or constructivism. These philosophies focus on understanding the world through subjective experiences and meanings rather than objective measurements. Interpretivism seeks to understand the social world by interpreting the meanings people attach to their experiences. Constructivism argues that reality is socially constructed, meaning people create reality through their interactions. 2 approaches. Second layer. Qualitative research generally follows an inductive approach, where theories are generated from the data collected, rather than testing existing theories. Deductive approach. 3 strategies. Third layer. This layer refers to the specific qualitative research strategies or methodologies. Common strategies include case study, in-depth analysis of a single instance, e.g., a group of students in one school. Ethnography, immersing in a culture or community, e.g., studying student life on campus. Phenomenology, exploring lived experiences, e.g., understanding the personal experience of stress during exams. Grounded theory, developing a theory based on the data collected. 4 choices, 4th layer. Qualitative research often uses a mono-method approach, where a single method, e.g., interviews, focus groups, is used to collect in-depth data. Alternatively, researchers may choose a mixed method approach, combining qualitative methods with quantitative ones to explore different aspects of a research problem. 5 time horizons, 5th layer. Qualitative research can be cross-sectional or longitudinal. Cross-sectional, collecting data at one point in time, e.g., interviewing students during one exam season. Longitudinal, studying changes over time, e.g., observing how students' stress levels change throughout their academic journey. Analysis method. Thematic analysis, identifying and organizing themes. Content analysis, categorizing and counting occurrences of concepts. Grounded theory, building a theory from data. Narrative analysis, exploring personal stories and how they're told. Discourse analysis, studying language use and social contexts. Phenomenological analysis, understanding lived experiences. Framework analysis, applying a structured framework to categorize data. Thank you for watching this introduction to qualitative research design. I hope it helped you gain a basic understanding of the key concepts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on qualitative research and other related topics. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into specific research methods. Until then, feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. See you in the next one.